Tawela alamogela mo code switch in 2020 mo rutanga le melaka gai go nne o tlo lebella the problems ja integration of trigonometric function ka tla re tlhalosa ka speed ka ntle lo senya nna ka re lebeletse number 1 ere determine the integration of y dx wa ya re file rena ka ba ile ke y elegana le sin x cos 2x re nyaga integration go video la ya go feta mathomo go se level ya code switch in 2020 or integration of trigonometric function go more explain or na the identity tšo se di šomiše ke dife so mo tlo solve the problem go nyaka the identity tšo se di šomiše level la video la 10 o tšwele pele the problems mo problem jere from the previous question papers then re tšwela pele la ba la sin x cos 2x dx then er lebeletse mo re na le double angle cos 2x re ka e change double angle a rena ra ba le sin x o ka e change to any double angle le we nyakang wena then ra ba le 2 cos squared x minus 1 dx then multiply ka sin x ra ba le integral ya 2 sin x cos squared x minus sin x dx ena ra tseba ngre gore re na le integral sign le gona go distribute re na le minus sign then now re ba le integral ya 2 sin x cos squared x minus integral ya sin x dx so integral ya sin x ra e tseba a re lebeleng sin x cos x sin x into cos squared x e re lebela re ka šomiša substitution re ka re e re u e lekana le cos x and du wa re lekana le minus sin x dx then dx wa lekana le minus du over sin x then go wetla mo on 2 or integral ya sin x multiplied by u squared multiplied by negative du over sin x minus integral ya sin x dx we are over minus 2 integral ya u squared du sin a cancel now minus integral ya sin x dx then over minus 2 or integrate u squared over le multiply by u cube divided by 3 minus integral ya sin ke cos and ever negative cos minus cos x. Then now I'm going to overlay negative 2/3. You are never cos angle. Cos cube x, negative times negative, you are plus cos x plus c. Go integrator trig function. So identity go shumisha identity ngole ngonya ka ngoshumisha ya cos 2x. So r level number 2. Then arjula belaga number 2 ere y elegana le tan exponent 4 angular number 7 barbanyaga de integral of tan exponent 4 angular number 7 dx elegana le elegana le integral o split angle over tan to exponent 2 angular over 7x or multiply by tan to exponent 2 angular over 7x dx. Then no over the identities. Then no figure the identity at tan squared. Razor identity at tan squared. One tan squared amatom come heading on. I multiply the identity I. We're going to be tematomo will draw when on I give. Then razor tan squared elegantly sec squared angle come heading on minus 1 dx. Then from where what's a multiply tan x squared ever integral tan squared 7x multiply sec squared 7x minus tan squared 7x dx. Then rawet la lona ape tan squared te musa shumsha identity up nyaga identity yon nyaga identity yon normally tan squared 7x multiply sec squared 7x minus identity tan represal sec squared 7x minus 1 at differentiate with respect to x. Skatlo ala di x anga. So what to ganai while wa khona ke ra tseba hore la khona distribute integration sign. So rawali equals to integral ya tan squared 7x multiplied by sec squared 7x minus integral ya sec squared 7x minus 1 dx. Almost jongale dx minus. Then our level integration namatom. Regashumsha use substitution. Mortoring reyu eleganally tan 7x. And do you eleganally derivative ya tan sec squared. Sec squared 7x dx. Again. Then that's a worry. Dx elegantly du over du over sec squared 7x. Then we will substitute integral of u squared multiplied by sec squared 7x multiplied by du over mar ukanore du over na 7 sec squared 7x dx morally sec squared 7x dx wana fakala du mar go banya go substitute bonchor sec ya cancela na mrukum useless nje for I would say then integral of sec squared 7x minus 1 eka mo khona go krea answer one straight no ehlale yona nje then re tla le wana mo e ya cancel integral ya u squared over u cube over 3 anger u cube over 3 minus integral ya sec squared ke tan ko derivative ya tan ke sec squared so over le tan 7x then what divide the derivative ya angle ya 7x ya ba 7 negative times negative re tla mola ya positive plus x and we are really ke tan angle or naling robale and moki re differentiate that lo multiply by 7 most really multiply by 7 then we 1 over 7 alone 1 over 7 more vile 1 over 7 gantle then about 1 over 7 karo differentiate angle kar then probably 1 over 7 multiplied by we are not related tan cube of 7x divided by 3 minus 1 over 7 tan 7x plus x plus c kawara as a definite integral. So can solve a number 2 yard nakamho. The mistake the idea and so you well am will not look at the mistakes. So our level number 3. So our level number 3 ere y eleganale cos 5 angle on our ax multiplied by sine cube ax. Then all level you get the odd logic, get odd exponent. So abanyaga integral ya cos 5 ax multiplied by sine exponent 3 ax to integrate with respect to x. Also need you uji exponent nyane mogarajon if we want to splitter. Era we splitter our sine cos exponent 5 ax multiplied by sine squared ax multiplied by sine ax dx. Here multiply with jamara. Then the split our honwali squared or squared or the identity chayon. That's why it's split. Or split a 5 here over 4. then 4 sa go split up into 2 ya ba ntwe go that's why ba re o sontse split e nyane. So go etla le yona nyaka identity ya sin squared ya offer integral ya cos exponent 5ax multiplied by identity ya sin again go 1 minus cos squared ax multiplied by sin ax dx. Got a multiplication mo o ka shumisha u substitution. We got a u elegantly cos ax, not the exponent, cos. Then the author du our elegantly conjugate cos even negative sin ax dx. Then dx our elegantly okay rape formula dx diversion the angle ka gara re a mo ke ngwala so ke ngwala a ka mathomo re ska confuse eval minus a multiplied by sin ax dx re nyaka derivative ya angle ke a. Then while dx here of du over minus a sin ax. So ele ka mokgo o no ehla le yona ka mokana ga yona ka mokgo eleng ka ona mo go bonang x o fakela u mo bonang cos o fakela u while integral ya u to exponent 5 multiplied by 1 minus u squared multiplied by sin ax more one dx refagala du over minus a sin ax differentiate reintegrate with respect to your range ya cancel a sin ya cancel na while equals to u to exponent 5 multiplied by 1 minus u to exponent 2 multiplied by negative 1 over a du. Gara tsebar khona bontsha constant mo integral onja constant well negative 1 over a into the integral ya so multiply ga u to exponent 5 minus u to exponent 7 du. Then we'll solve over minus 1 over a integral ya over u to exponent 5 over u to exponent 6 divided by 6 or 80 longer minus u to exponent 8 divided by 8. Integration nam khudu ke ko n5 o tsona na wa integrator ing of 5 what's all a bracket gago gore se ntšufetša mo bonang u o fakela cos over minus 1 over a into cos ax to exponent 6 divided by 6 minus cos 8 ax over 8 plus c. Ke re rana matera rana ka mokgo tsonjo tse ka rena ba go fileng then over sharp. Then I level number 4 Then R level in number 4. Number 4 ere y elegantly 1 over cot exponent 4 angular na x over 3. Then origi inverse of cot elegantly tan exponent therefore x over 3. Then oranyagana integral ya tan exponent 4 x over 3 dx. Then ratse sunjere split rokhono di identity and elegantly tan squared x over 3 multiply by tan squared x over 3 dx. And so we multiply to from answer ya matumo. Then ranyagana identity are integral ya tan squared x over 3 identity tan squared 3 elegantly sec squared x over 3 minus 1 dx. So so right leona then utama multiply katan kamara di brackets or wali integral ya tan squared x over 3 multiply ka sec squared x over 3 minus tan squared x over 3 dx. Then integral ya tan squared khona we create straight. Then kamo set integral ya motomo sanjushu mshe substitution uganore let equals to tan squared x over 3 and do ya kanali sec squared x over 3 multiply ka the derivative ya angle yarfa 1 over 3 dx. Then the x are na yala kanali q3 du over sec squared x over 3. Then draw substitute mo bill maoro uganore before sunjor tan squared x over 3 or multiply x over 3 or multiply by sec squared x over 3 minus integral ya tan squared what x over 3 dx and then almost enjoy dx kalki integral chepe de ganjaj. Then draw substitute yumo angle ahora el canal integral u squared surman more u squared under u fail tan fail mo then alpha 6 squared then more fagalat u squared or multiply by 6 squared x over 3 multiply by more 1 and the x over 3 du over sec squared x over 3 minus integral ya tan squared x over 3 dx. Then you cancel here. Integral yaba shalaga 3 integral u squared du minus kamwar integral ya tan squared x over 3 dx. Then regularly on our 3 multiplied by u cube divided by 3 minus integral ya tan squared. Integral ya tan squared iba tan x mara before integral ya tan squared ax illegal 1 over a tan ax plus minus x, not plus, minus x. Then remove 1 over 3 over 1 over 3 tan x over 3 minus x. Then more you're negative angle or over 3 divided by 3 cancel over tan cube x over 3 a minus yaba reciprocal on over 3 tan x over 3 negative times negative error plus x plus c. In one come ho then our level example here at the lang very game of fellow. Our level problem ama fellow number 5 r y elegantly sin 4 5x multiplied by cos exponent 3 5x. So calculate jikari so njere split exponent nya refile odd refile even exponentially odd power, then nakujidinchi o splitter odd, then ranaga integration ya sin exponent 4 angular 5x multiplied by cos exponent 3 angular 5x with respect to x. Then area was splitter relegally wala even power kamuhelenka on r5x multiplied by splitter cos yaba 2 exponent 2 yaba 5x multiplied by cos 5x dx. Then that's where na let's go to find the identity our angle. Then now integral ya sin exponent 4 angular number 5x multiplied by identity ya cos iba 1 minus sin squared x multiplied by cos 5x with respect to x. Really so consumption use substitution little where you elegantly sin 5x and du ya lekana le derivative ya sine ke positive cos angle r cos 5x multiply ka derivative ya angle ebe 5 multiply by differentiate with respect to x, then the x are na over du all over 5 cos 5x. Then what la formuleng ya gago wa gore mo bonang sine of a color u to exponent 4 multiply by 1 minus u squared multiply by cos 5x mo bonang the x of a color du over 5 cos 5x. Then what are you cancel anally? Then right leona or integrate with respect to u and judge. Or shall I integral u to exponent 4 multiplied by 1 minus u to exponent 4 multiplied by negative u to exponent 2 while u to exponent 6 multiplied by 1 over 5 du 1 over 5 1 over 5 shall I integral here u to exponent 4 minus u to exponent 6 with respect to u. Then now integrate shall I 1 over 5 forget bracket u to exponent 4 integrate or add 1 whole over 5 or divide by sum 1 over 5 minus u to exponent 6 or add 1 over 7 or divide by 7 also forget u. Then o substitute aga u ya gago really u iba sine again or more than u of a sine 5x exponent 5 over 5 minus sine exponent 7 5x over 7 plus c. Example na mafelelo answer on a field chigamo 1 mo multiply ka 1 over 5 o nyaka. So ke la ba go no o level la video code switching futla mafelelo for the video tše dingwe tša malema mangwe code switching 2020 e le ka go di provider ke a leboga.